Right on, tulichokera natinende Eastern Region Commissioner umwero Paul ROTICH ARIUGA idiri tinende rekione na kia kuingia RUTERE rona na kori thirikari gutigira utionto kwithira nende baikuya kumana na Mpara na chokete thira kinyakia rakia mantu yegithi ne UKARIA ntere cha MARSABIT na ISIOLO nyantere moche MERU na kiwa ontuboni ontubakethira bakitangikaira na mpui kendo tira nende nibakurwa na mathina ya
miena mingi ya mwena wa irathiro wa bururi ni kugumiritwe ni iura rinene vuva ya gukorwa mbura itakura gwa kavinda ka miaka iri riu. Andu na mavio mari thinari ya kurwo ni mioyo yao kumana na gutura kwa irio na mai matheru ma kunyua. Giki nikio Eastern Region Museru niwe Paul ROTICH augite wira wake wa mbere wa visire ino ni gutigira thirikari nene ni akinyira ekari onthe aria matari na kindu gia kuria kana mai matheru ma kunyua na kumava uteithio.
We have the drought situation that is currently biting a number of counties in the region, and these are some of the areas which we are going to give a lot of focus so that we ensure that we reach our people and ensure that in areas where there is drought, we ensure that we don't lose lives.
Wauguo ROTICH niugite ciiko cia wiki nae ni ikoretwo iri nyingi muno mwena uyu wa irathiro. Ino ni makiria ni undu wa ngucanio cia migunda ta mwena wa Mwea thiini wa gicigo mbunge kia Mberethero thiini wa kaunti ya Embu, ngucanio cia mivaka ta mwena wa MERU na ngucanio cia ithaka cia kurithia ta mwena wa MARSABIT. Na varia augite ni gukorwo akivurana na ciiko ino na kuithiria kaimana.
Areas where we experience insecurity, particularly the pastoral areas where cattle raids and cattle theft is a common phenomenon. I think His Excellency the President has set a tone that these are practices which should come to an end, and it must resonate to all of us, the people who plan, execute, and participate in incidences of cattle theft and cattle raids. We are going to engage widely and bring in other stakeholders and recommend for advanced methods of addressing the menace of cattle rustling.
Ngiripotera Weru TV kuma kaunti ya Embu, mbitagwa Rita Mwaniki wa Musiri.